Hello guys, welcome to the Gacha Life. We are back to the bubbles and tea. In today's video, I'm going to show you in 3 weeks how much money I'm going to make off my a single gachapon machine. And before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. It really helps my channel growth, and also let me know people like this kind of video. Okay, let's get in and check it out. Bubbles and tea, their tea is fantastic. Please support their business too. Okay, right now you can see my machines all there. I have total of 23 single tier machine here. And I think today we're gonna choose 8 machines. Okay, first one I think we choose this melody, okay? Let's do this melody. Woohoo! Not bad, not bad. Let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We have 14 coins. My coin is $3. One coin is $3. So for this gachapon machine, we make $42. Yay! Not bad for 3 weeks. I'll take it. And this is just only single tier machine, right? I have 23, so everything adds up. Okay, next one. Let's search which one we're going to count the money. Spy Family, keychain, maybe not. Let's look at something else. Ooh, maybe this one, Spy Family. There's a sleeping figures. Lots a lot. Oh my goodness. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Yay! 30 coins. So that means that's $90. Yay! I'll take it. Okay, next. That's the third one. Chainsaw Man. This is Genshin. Genshin is good. Let's check this one. Okay, not bad. I think it's like 8, 10, 12-ish. Let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, 12 times 3, that's $36. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's choose next one, fourth one. That's a gachapon machine. This is the bird gachapon. This Rorikuma X-Lado. To X-Lado? Maybe this one. This one. Light Magical Wine. It looks fantastic. Let's check this one. Wow, that's a lot too. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Yay! 28 tokens. So let me do the math. 28 times 3 that equal 84. So we make $84 on this magical wine gachapon. That's excellent. Okay, let's check the next one. I think this is gonna be our 5th machine. Maybe Exladon. Oh! I see something funny. Shark? No, maybe. Let's do this rice ball. It looks awesome. And funny too. Okay, ooh, not bad. I think it's pretty average. At least we have 10 and up. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 18 times 3, gonna be $54. Yay! Okay, we have 3 more to go. Okay, let's choose 3 more. The plushies, nah, it almost sell out. Oh, only 3 left. Oh, this one looks funny. Line up cats. Line up cats gachapon. Let's count for this one. Okay, kind of like 10-ish maybe. Let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 12 times 3 that equal 36. We make $36 on this one. Line up cats. Okay, 2 more to go. Oh, the shark looks awesome too. Maybe we do this one. It's already sold out. It's a 1 token machine. But I don't know what was it. I kind of like forgot. It's all empty. So it must be more coin on this one. Woohoo! Yes! That looks a lot. Okay, can you believe this is the 1 coin machine? It's 100 yen. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh my gosh, so difficult. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 38, 40, 40, what? 40? I missed counting. I think it's 40 tokens, I guess. Okay, 40 coins, that's equal $120. I'll take it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Let's check what was the projects, okay? What was the products? I think it should be 100 yen one. Now this one. Sometimes I put the 2 bullet. Okay, we got it. This is a kitty gachapon. That's cool. Wow, this one making a lot of sales. Love it. Okay, let's check the last one. Okay, let's choose 1 more. Okay, this Hello Kitty bag looks nice. Let's count this one. Okay, not bad. It sounds like 20 tokens, I guess. We'll see. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So total is 18. 18 times 3 equal 54. Okay, for today's total a single tier gachapon machine, we make $516. And then I will say this is really good. No complaint. Okay, that's about it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys on next video. Bye bye.